will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. Then here you're looking for Yuka app, or just click here on search here. So then here add Yuka up here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on force up, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. So you click here on Play Store. Then when you click on it, you search for Yuka app for it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.